Metric measurements of length. So meters, centimeters, millimeters, and kilometers. There's also decimeters. There's more, and I see a little bit of the F. It's kind of cut off our screen here, but base metric unit for length is a meter. All the other metric units of length can be described in terms of meters. If you take a look at a meter stick, each large increment is 1 centimeter. How many centimeters are in 1 meter? You'll have to supply your own meter stick here. Each small increment is 1 millimeter. How many millimeters are in 1 centimeter? What does the prefix kilo mean? Prefix kilo means 1,000. And so there are 1,000 meters in a kilometer. 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. A meter is 100 centimeters. A centimeter is 10 millimeters. Reference. A reference is something that can be used to estimate a measure. So if you want to estimate a millimeter, what can you use? Well, you can use a dime. So the thickness of 1 dime. Another one that you could use is 10 sheets of paper. Which would depend, of course, on the weight of the paper, but 10 sheets of paper. 1 centimeter. How about 10 dimes? So you can make a nice centimeter referent for only $1. Thickness of 10 dimes. Or the width of the fingernail on your smallest finger. Cross out. Fingernail. Nail on smallest finger. Now, obviously, we are all different sizes, so, but again, it's just a referent. A meter. Think of a small child. Height of a small child is about a meter. Or a running stride, the length of a running stride. So if you're out running, then you'll stride, length of a running stride. A kilometer, it's about 7 football fields. Look at the football field that we have and imagine 7 of them, that's a kilometer, or the distance you can walk in about 10 minutes. Now, obviously you need your own personal reference, right, if you want to be able to come up with your own. So these are just some suggestions, but certainly feel free to come up with your own reference. Conversions. So we need to convert. Now, converting in metric is actually pretty easy, but here's the way I do all of my conversions. I want to convert 5.6 meters to millimeters. So I start off with 5.6 and I put on the units. And I say I'm going to multiply that by some conversion factor where I'm going to have meters on the bottom. And I know that 1 meter is 100 centimeters. And then these guys, meters, can cross off. But I need to get, are we there yet? No, we have centimeters. We need millimeters. So I need to get rid of the centimeters on top. So I will put 1 centimeter on the bottom. And 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Now you notice these are equal. 100 centimeters, 1 meter are the same thing. 10 millimeters, 1 centimeter are the same thing. Cross off centimeters top and bottom. We get 5.6 times 100 times 10, and the units we're left with are millimeters. So this will be 5,600 millimeters. All right, let's convert 75 million centimeters to kilometers. So I have centimeters. I want to get rid of centimeters. What's a conversion that I know? I know that 1 meter is 100 centimeters. But I want kilometers. Okay. So I know that 1 kilometer. So I need kilometers up top. I need meters on the bottom to cancel here. So 1,000 meters. These are always in equivalents. Okay, meters cross off. The units we're left with are kilometers. And I get 75 million divided by 100. Then hit enter. Here, let's do this. 75 million, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, divided by 100, enter, divided by 1,000, enter, 750. So that's equal to 750 kilometers, right? Kilometers, that's the units that we have left up top. Exercises. Oh, I believe exercises are for you to do. So that's a little something for you to do, and there'll be posted answers, or answers are there, and then there's a posted key for how to work out the answers. What am I looking at here? I think that's just more of the questions. Okay, so we're done. That was like really short. So make sure that you do all of the exercises and then the textbook work, right? It's all about getting practice, even if the lesson only takes 7 minutes or fewer.